We are John and Samantha and the proud owners of a 1986 American Ford Econoline RV, bought by us as a salvage rebuild project. The RV was bought as severely water damaged and required the interior to be completely stripped out. We plan to spend 2021 rebuilding the RV, and that work will be shown here on the channel. In 2022, we plan to take the RV on trips around the UK, taking in some stunning scenery and hopefully some wild camping, all whilst undertaking the challenges of taking such a large vehicle down narrow country lanes. We start the day removing the front bedroom window. The amount of silicone sealer on this thing is shocking. It's got it.
I don't think it needs cutting out, it's going to fall out, John.
And it's out. Thought we'd show you an example of the sort of thing that we're having to deal with here. So this is the sort of silicone that's been left on the windows for us. I mean, there must be a whole tube of silicone on there. Absolutely horrendous. So yeah, and of course we've got to get every trace of this off, otherwise the paint won't adhere to the metal. So this is the front window for the bedroom. Rob's sealing up. Getting plenty of sealant on there, Rob?
Take shares out in this company.
Yeah, I'm going to use a couple of tubes on this, I think. No way this is going to leak. And now we removed and resealed this side window. But before we reveal what the bedroom looks like now, a quick reminder of what we had to deal with to get it to the condition it's in. Okay, so just to remind the viewers then, Rob, where we were. So on the last video, I think we'd got to the point where we just put these posts in either side. Yep. And some of this boarding, the plywood wasn't in, and we put some insulation in there. So can you just talk us through, Rob, what we've done since?
Well, following on from that, we've obviously now cladded the whole section of the front bed. We've insulated underneath these boards, yep, and underneath the cladding as well. We've had to make some frame to create the same shape as what the front of the van was as well.
Yes.
Which obviously took a little bit of time, but now it's done. You can see obviously the benefit of it.
Can't you?
Yeah, and all the way to the top as well.
Yeah.
The windows have been taken out and put back in and resealed.
Yes.
Just to point out, there is trims to go across or inside all that, just to finish it off as well on both sides of the windows.
We've got some metal trims which have got to be painted black, haven't they?
They have
go
indeed,
on the inside of these.
They have
I think you've got to chop out some of the wood, haven't you?
Yeah, I think we might need to just a little bit, chop out a little bit. Not much, but it's got to be done. But because we've gone to this extent now and it looks so good, it's well worth doing just chopping out little things and making it better.
Okay.
We're also putting trim on the side here to finish this off. As well, we're going to be painted white, but that wasn't pointed out in the last video. So that'll be
90-degree plastic.
Yeah,
which is going to go both sides.
Yeah,
there.
On the ceiling. Sorry, John. On the ceiling. We're reversing or taking the cladding the opposite way, so it's going the length, so it looks totally different to what it is. And then obviously a demould is going to go on top of there. It's going to be white as well, same as the ceiling.
To cover over the joint between the cladding going either way.
And again, this is all going to be insulated as well, all the way through the van itself.
Cool.
So,
and for finish, we've put on some vinyl silk brilliant white paint. I think we've still got another coat to go there, haven't we? There's a couple of patches.
There's a little touching up to be done in certain places as well, but obviously the more we paint it, the better it's going to be. Believe you me.
It's looking good, isn't it?
It's taking shape. From where we were on the previous video to the damp and the rot that was in there, you can see we're actually making good progress.
Definitely. And in a second, what we'll do, we'll put the cushions on that Samantha's been working on, and we'll show the viewers what it looks like when it's finished. Absolutely. Less the curtains, of course.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So now we've put the new mattresses on with the new covers, and I have to say they look really good. All made by Samantha. I've got Samantha with me. So where do we get this material from then, Sam?
It's just an old pair of curtains. What was in the area cupboard.
Okay, cool. And they look really good. Were they this colour originally?
No, they were beige, so I've just dyed them silvery grey.
Cool. So it's 4 panels. Were they difficult to make?
Well, it was meant to be 2 panels, but I changed it into 3 to make it easier to cover.
Cool. And I'm sure all the viewers would agree that Samantha's done a really nice job of these. Big enough, Rob?
Oh my God, yeah.
It's quite comfortable, isn't it?
It is very comfortable indeed. It's a lot bigger than what I thought, John.
Loads of room in there.
It is. It's taking shape.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Give us a big thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. We'll love you loads.